If you're looking for a way to recycle your seed, this seed cleaner is what you want. It comes with 2 buckets, one for the husk and the other one for the recycled seed. The button on the side of the cleaner can be adjusted according to the size of the seed you're going to run through. This seed cleaner can be used for small seed, like the ones you would feed to finches, canaries and other small birds, and it can also be used for large parakeet and parrot mix. This cleaner is made for it all. In this demonstration, we are going to use position 1 as we are going to run parakeet and parrot mix through. The seed you are going to clean goes into the top of the unit, and you will see the recycled seed go into the left bucket and the husk into the right bucket. This is the clean seed. And this is the husk. As I said earlier, it can be used for all kinds of seed mixes. Now we are going to run parrot mix through the cleaner. This is the recycled mix. And this is the husk. This cleaner is easy to use and it does a good job when it comes to recycling seed. Choose your settings accordingly to the mix you are cleaning, pour it in, and you will get recycled mix you can feed back to your birds.